So we try to lift the consciousness of all of mankind by evolving our own. The devotion to the presence of God, then, is a very powerful tool. It already exists. You don't have to create it. It already exists. That which is willing to surrender everything for God, even life itself, already exists within you. And much to your surprise, it comes up in great power when you didn't even know it was there. The last moment you're faced with surrendering life itself to God. To thee, O God, do I surrender this life. The devotion, the power to do so is already present. And it's like a shock when it comes up and you realize that you have within you the power to do that. Not only to surrender the details of life, to dissolve the ego, transcend the ego, but eventually the very core of that which you think is you. As you all sit there, that which you profoundly believe is you, your reality, and who you are, experientially, not intellectually, is what, at the last doorway, one surrenders completely. And that is the doorway to enlightenment. And because of the limitation of the commitment, it doesn't happen all that often. Devotional non-duality means one is devoted to the truth. Devoted to the truth. And we'll get to more of the truth after we have a break. That which is necessary to reach enlightenment already exists. To reach a state of divine, unconditional lovingness is quite sufficient. And the Lotus Land Buddhism, which teaches pretty much the same as Christianity then, says, once you've reached the level of unconditional love, the way is certain, and you can relax. And so we'll take a break, huh?